Hello students, today we are going to solve some questions on subtraction. As you can see, it's written subtraction within 10 crore. That means we will be subtracting larger numbers. Now children, the process for subtracting large numbers is the same as that for subtracting small numbers. Now before we start, here are some basic mathematical entities which we already know. We will be using this in the process of subtraction. So let's revise them once. That is 1 tens is equal to 10 ones, 100 is equal to 10 tens, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, 10,000 is equal to 10 thousands, 1 lakh is equal to 10 thousands, 10 lakh is equal to 10 lakhs, 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs, and 10 crore is equal to 10 crore. We will be using these basic concepts while solving the questions. So let's start with our first question. So the first question that we are going to solve is find the difference between 75 lakh 13,587 and 32 lakh 1,453. At first we will be drawing a place value chart where we will put these values and then we will start our subtraction. Here is our place value chart. Now one by one I will put these values here. First I will put this at first because this is a larger number, and then I will put this and then we will begin. Now here I have arranged the numbers at first. 75 lakh 13,587, 32 lakh 1,453. Now as per the rule we will start subtracting from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. Okay, so let's start. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. After solving this, we will write this statement. That is the difference between these two numbers, that is 75 lakh 13,587 and 32 lakh 1,453 is 43 lakh 12,134, and you can write it like this also. Next question, find the difference of 6 crore 12 lakh 59,715 and 1 crore 21 lakh 73,846. Here is our place value chart. One by one I will put these values here. At first I will put this value because this is a bigger number, and then I will put this value. So let's start. Now we are going to start the subtraction process. As usual, as per the rule, we will start from the right hand side, that is from the ones. Now here at ones you can see the number here is 5, above number is 5 and the lower number is 6. We all know that we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So what to do? Here we will use the concept of regrouping, where we use these basic fundamental entities. We know that 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So I can take one number from here and I can shift it to here, because we know 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So when I will shift it here, this will become 15, right? I can easily subtract 6 from 15, which is 9, right? Now when I have shifted one number, one digit from here, this will get reduced, this will become 0, right? Now when we will subtract this place, that is from 0 we have to subtract 4, again we know this is not possible. So what to do? We will again take a number from this place. we will take 100 from here and we will put it here. As we know, 100 is equal to 10,000. So when I will shift one number from here, this 7 will become 6. And when 100 is shifted to 10's place, this becomes 10. Right? Now 10 minus 4 we know is 6. Now let's come to this place. Here we can see we have to subtract 8 from 6, which is not again possible. So again we will be using the concept of regrouping, that is we will be taking one number from the 1000 place, because we know 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Means 10 hundreds when combined together they form 1000. So I will take 1000 from here. As a result, this will get reduced to 8. And I will shift it here. There I will be getting 1000. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 16 minus 8 we know is 8. Now this process, this step, here we can easily subtract 3 from 8. That is 5. Right? Now let's come to the 10,000 place. Here again we have been given a larger number which we have to subtract from a smaller number. Again what we will do, we will take 1 lakh from here and we will shift it here, because we know 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. So when I will take 1 from here, this will get reduced and this will become 1. And here 10,000 is shifted, that means 10 plus 5 gets become 15. And 15 minus 7 is 8. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Now let's come to this step. Again we have to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Again we will do the same thing, that is 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. So I will take one number from here and I will shift it here. As a result, here we get 10 lakhs. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer that we are getting is 4 crore 90 lakh 85,869. And after subtraction we will write it like this. That is the difference between 6 crore 12 lakh 59,715 and 1 crore 21 lakh 73,846 is 4 crore 90 lakh 85,869. Now let's solve one more question like this.